Hi, my name is Hans Frolich. In this short video, I would like to give you a summary about myself, starting with what value do I bring to the corporation, followed by my background and work experience, and then leadership, personality, and capabilities, and then ending with a summary. Let's start with what value I can bring to the corporation. I have over 25 years of leadership experience managing teams up to 1,500 employees, both in transformational and steady-state operation in very large international corporations. Overall, my leadership style is people-centric and transformational. For me, leadership is a lot about inspiring and motivating employees by engaging, encouraging, and recognize good initiatives and accomplishments to release everybody's full potential, which requires clear vision and goals from my side. To be able to take the organization to the next level, I lead with high energy and engagement, have a positive can-do attitude, and an open mindset. I focus a lot on developing talents in the organization. I've always scored high in employee surveys, and in the latest I scored 95% employee satisfaction, which was the highest in the whole group. This is unique, I think, for a shared service organization. Moving into my digital and AI background. Besides that, AI, digital, and IT is my personal interest. I also have a master's degree in computer science. One of the larger roles I have had within digital is leading global digital services in a corporation of 100,000 employees. And from an AI point of view, I was partner for AI Innovation of Sweden in a corporation of 50,000 employees. I have deep knowledge in digital platforms and good business understanding, which is important driving digital transformation. I've developed and deployed many projects in AI, analytics, automation, etc. And one thing that I'm very proud of is that we were, my organization, awarded number 2 Best Digital Multi-Channel Solution of FTSE 100 in the UK. My global business services journey started 13 years ago when I was requested by the board to build 6 global shared service centers for 2,800 employees. Example of scopes I have had is IT, digital, AI, analytics, finance, HR, procurement, logistics, master data, internal control, etc., and managing organization up to 1,500 employees. For me, it's not around just running the shared service. For me, it's much more around driving transformation and fully deploy value-creating services with high focus on customer satisfaction and enabling automation and driving digital transformation. Within GBS, I was awarded for my innovation, and I was really honored to attend Queen Elizabeth's celebration of her coronation, 60 years at the throne at Buckingham Palace. Within IT, I've been working in most areas and led teams up to 700 staff. With my background from being developer for Sweden's largest CRM system, internationally managed IT teams in 65 countries, deployed ERP, HRS, CRM, etc. systems, and running major infrastructure team. This in combination with my business knowledge is important to successfully run major IT organizations. I've led major transformation, consolidation, established of IT shared service centers, and so on. And most proud am I that we got awarded number 1 IT shared services in the whole of Poland. So a few words about my background and work experience. Edge Group is an advanced technology, defense, and space corporation. Edge strategy is to have an agile approach to enable fast delivery of solutions and services, driving innovation, and do many merger and acquisition to be world leader in their segment. I was recruited to build world-class shared services for 25 companies since they didn't have any shared service at that time. The goal was to build and transform IT, finance, HR, procurement, logistics, analytics, AI, etc. by transitioning the staff and utilizing our digital transformation to roll out SAP HANA with new ways of working, extreme automation, end-to-end processes, and so on for the whole of the Edge group. SAP have 48,000 employees globally, and there I was running their global business services, and one of my achievements was to transform the delivery model from being regional to truly global services with almost 1,500 GBS staff. With my digital background, I also established digital operational services platform utilizing tools like digital assistant, RPA, robot process automation, process mining, AI, analytics, and so on. In the end, I also built a foundation for a new shared service center in Lisbon. Beside my GBS role, I was also founding partner of AI Innovation of Sweden, as well as chairman of the board, SAP Sweden, with 2,500 employees. I worked 15 years at GSK, and they had 100,000 employees in the corporation. The last role was VP Global Digital Services, where I was responsible for GSK digital environment like web development, mobile app development, digital seminar and event services, analytics, digital asset management, and so on. Before that, I was VP GBS, establishing 6 global centers and several other roles, managing IT teams up to 700 staff. And then earlier in my career, I worked in many large international companies in multiple IT roles, especially as developer. Last but not least, I have a master's degree in computer science. Just a few words about my leadership style, personality, and capabilities. On the screen, you see some of the personality tests that I've taken. Common themes in all of them are open and people-oriented, innovative and goal-oriented, with a strategic mindset. My personality when it comes to leadership is people-centric and transformational. I've always scored high in the employee survey. And the last employee survey, my GBS organization scored the highest in the whole group, 95%, which is also top score compared to 10 million surveys done globally by Willis Tower Watson, which I'm very proud of. So if I should do a very short summary, I worked in many international corporations in multiple roles within digital, IT, and GBS, and I also lived and worked in countries like Sweden, UK, US, and UAE. I'm always forward-looking to ensure functions that I'm leading is world-class. I do this by having motivated team and organization. I always say that people are the biggest asset and differentiator in any company. Utilizing the latest AI and digital technologies are very important for the success, and making sure that ways of working and strategies are aligned with the company's vision. For this, I have been recognized by several awards. My personality is most suitable for companies that want to grow, drive transformation, build new services or products. That is how you would get the most value out of me. Thanks a lot for listening and hope to hear back from you.